So one very important thing I did not talk about while I was explaining about how to create any form using HTML is the selection part. Like your if you want your user to select, like here now, for select like to select like Abuja or anything, like you can use selection for any of the options. So let's quickly do that here. So now, just like I said, there are so many types of inputs. There's also an input for color. Let me quickly show you that. So color, that the user can select any color of their choice while filling the form. This is it. You can see this is the color input. So you can see if I select any color. So especially if you are working on let's say e-commerce website, for instance, you can make use of this. So you can see if I change it here, it will change. So that is that. So let's work on the selection now. So we are going to create another div for the selection, but still inside the form. So let's say this is div. So inside we have select. So you type select. I'm cleaning this part. It depends on your choice anyway. So inside the select, you now put option. So option. So our first option, let me put, okay, let's give it a title. So we can use before option. Oh, okay, sorry. Before the select, immediately after the opening tag of the div. So it's where our title will be. Let me just give it, okay, let's put H3 for instance. So let select a city. Select, sorry, select a city. So here, our first option is Lagos. Second, just copy and paste to save time. Abuja. Abuja. Jos. Abia. So it depends on like the list can go on and on. So it depends on the type of form you want to create for your users. So let's check what we just did now. So you can see this is what we just did. Select a city. So the person can just click and select anyone. So you just select anyone. So there's this another button again that is called reset button. So reset button in the sense that this is a placeholder, right? So if we put in like if we fill in the form and you want to reset that, you don't want the listing to be there. You want to reset to start from afresh. Let me show you what I'm trying to explain here. So let's say this is where the submit button is. We can also put the reset button there. Reset, right? So let's see. So you can see this is the reset button. So let's say let me just Bello Ibrahim, right? So and I want to reset it. You can see it has cleared. So that's what reset button. So even if you fill everything, right? If you before you submit, you can still reset this to fill in the whatever you want to fill, or you want to put in other information as sorry, another information aside the one you submitted earlier. Sorry, you fill earlier. You filled earlier before you submit it. So that is that. Thank you.